Hello friends, today we are going to see how to get all keywords in Python. So now what is meant by keyword in any programming language? So keyword. So keyword means word, uh, its meaning is already defined. Its meaning is already defined by that programming language, right? And you can't use those keywords as an identifier. Can't use as a identifier, or means you can't use those words for variable naming. Identifier, right? So these are the keywords. So now in Python I want to access all the keywords, so I want to check how many keywords are there, and I want to check what are those keywords. So for that, in Python we have one inbuilt module, that is keyword module, right? So now how to access all those keywords? So first you have to import that inbuilt module. So inbuilt means that comes with Python installation, right? Keyword is the module, and this module is having one attribute, so using that you can get all the keywords. So I am taking here one variable, keywords is equal to keyword. So this module name I am taking because I want to use this attribute from this keyword module, so that's why I will take here kw list. Then I will print this keywords on the console. So I have saved this program. Now I will run. So did you keyword, oh, wait, keywords. So some here I have done mistake. So now here we got list of all the keywords, right? So these many keywords are there. So what this attribute is returning us? So it is returning one list. So I want to find out how many keywords are there. So for that I will take here length of this keywords list. So count. So I will take here length of this list. So that is keywords list, right? So now if I run this, so I got here 35, means currently there are 35 keywords are there in Python, right? So in this way you can access keywords list in Python. And how many keywords are there? Total 35 keywords are there currently. So as development is going, so sometimes they add some new keywords also. So currently there are 35 keywords in Python, right? So in this way you can access all the keywords in Python. If you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. Thank you for watching the video.